In this video, I want to review how to use dimensions to verify the input that you've made on your model. Here we have an example of the house layout that we did for the ranch house model in the Construction 120 lab. What we want to do now is verify that each of these walls is the correct dimension. And we're going to do that by using the dimension tool over here. It's the tape measure. It's the third tool up from the bottom. We click on that tape measure, and then we're going to go to this kind of second from the top button here that says dimensions. So we'll click on that, and we're going to find dimensions between 2 points. Now, a point is an intersection of two lines, and so we have points here on the end. And so I'm going to click on this point, and I'm going to click on this point, and then drag this dimension out to the left here. It'll have a red dashed line on it, like you can see up above, up here. That shows that it's going out that direction, level, parallel with the house. And then I'll click one more time, and it'll draw that 28-foot dimension out there. Now, another way to put dimensions on these walls is to just click on the wall and drag a line out. Now, see, this line is going up. It's got a blue line next to it. I don't want it to go up. I want it to go out. I'll put it out this direction. This one's up. This is out. It's a green line, and it goes out like that. See? So it's all level with the house. So once again, having this button, clicked on this button for dimensions, I can just select a point on the wall. And it has to be on the wall, not at the end point, not at a midpoint, but just along the wall. Click and drag a dimension out. Click, drag a dimension out. Now, these dimensions here, I'm going to line these up so that they're all in a line, just like they were on the plans. Okay. Then I can click on this one. I'll have to zoom in to get off of the midpoint. Put that little 4-foot dimension in, and then zoom in to get off the midpoint. Oh, I didn't quite do it. I hooked onto that other dimension. Sometimes it's real hard to get the line without clicking on one of the previous dimensions that you had. Now this one moves, so I'm going to move it back. And now I've got all my dimensions, and they're nice and horizontal from the layout, and it shows that I in fact input all my walls correctly and all the dimensions match the plans. And that's what your first assignment would look like when you turn it in. The layout, the shape of the house, plus all of the dimensions to show that you did it correctly.